Good day everyone. I'm Mark, a representative of Team Ye. And I will be presenting our research paper, entitled, Assessing the Performance and Behavior of CPE Students in Trimex Colleges Using Fuzzy Logic. First of all, I will introduce the group members that helped me in being part of this paper. Team Leader, Mark Aljun Bote. Team Members, Jerome Bardaje, Gesille Delos Reyes, Angelo Mardo and Paolo Flores. Now let us go to the introduction background of the study. Student-centered learning encourages students to take full ownership of their learning. Outcome-based education is a learner-centered, results-oriented system based on the notion that everyone can learn. Measurement and evaluation are both inspiring and important aspects of the learning process. Almost every teacher uses assessment tools to evaluate their own and their pupils' academic achievement. The constructivist techniques superseded the behaviorist paradigm, resulting in a shift in assessment and evaluation processes. Knowledge has a variety of properties, according to the constructivist viewpoint, being impermanent, progressive, and socially and culturally mediated. Academic achievement can be measured using a fuzzy-based approach that takes into account the vagueness of the question paper. All students benefit from the technique since the results are more visible and equitable. The findings demonstrate the utility of fuzzy logic in evaluating student performance. Objectives of the study. The overall objective of this study is to understand how the fuzzy logic theory can be used in measuring the performance and behavior of undergraduate students, as well as proving the advantages of using fuzzy logic in the evaluation of students' performance and behavior. The attributes considered for evaluation cover the academic as well as personality traits of the students. A stage-wise fuzzy reasoning approach will be used to eliminate the issues of rule explosion. The comparison between fuzzy and traditional average techniques shows the advantage of weightage allocation in the fuzzy approach. The modeling and simulation will be performed in Matlab-Simulink using the fuzzy logic toolbox. The simulation results will prove the validity of the proposed technique. Figure 1 shows the basic architecture of a fuzzy system as the main component of the study. Fuzzy logic is a computing approach based on degrees of truth, rather than the traditional true or false, 1 or 0 Boolean logic. Fuzzy logic uses a simple, rule-based if x and y then z method to solve control problems. In the design considerations, the stage-wise approach allows for the combination of attributes in several stages resulting in the elimination of the rule explosion problem. In stage 1, academic and behavior will be combined to performance analysis, which will be further combined in stage 3 with attendance to give the overall rating of the student. A Mamdani type, FIS, will be used in building the proposed model. Each of the input and output attributes will be fuzzified with 5 linguistic variables. The membership functions, MFs, that will be considered for the analysis are triangular shapes. This study will consider a total of 25 if-then fuzzy rules for all the controllers. Fuzzy rules will be built using the knowledge and experience of experts. The fuzzy logic toolbox will provide an advantage of representing the fuzzy rules in a 3-dimensional form. The result and discussion. The simulation result of the fuzzy and traditional average method will be shown from Table 4. There are a total of 5 experiments that were conducted using different values of attributes. In Table 3, indicate the symbol considered for each attribute, A for academics, B for behavior, and T for attendance. The rating of each attribute was done out of 100. Here is the result. The simulation result clearly shows the advantage of the fuzzy controller over the traditional average approach. And the summary and conclusion. Using Matlab-Simulink model, the objective of fuzzy logic reasoning-based performance of evaluation of students had been achieved. The result of the experiment shows the superiority of the proposed technique over the average methodology. The fuzzy reasoning approach provides an additional advantage of allocating different weightage to each attribute according to the needs and requirements of the organization. In the experiment conducted, the results of the fuzzy approach are close to the results evaluated by the average method for almost all the experiments. The fuzzy logic mimics the behavior of the traditional average method used for student performance evaluation. This proposed method can be modified and be used for performance evaluation of employees, faculty, etc. And that's all. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.